Hello. Today we will cover processing data locations from within Media Manager. First, open the Media Manager module. Click the Media tab. Select your media. Confirm that the network path is correct, and then click the green Create and Process Data Locations button. In Step 1, you will select your path. First, select your scan depth. By default, the number 3 is selected. You may scan up to a depth of 10 photos. I will keep the default depth of 3 photos. After selecting your depth, click the Scan button. You will see the first level folder. Click the inverted triangle to expand the main folder. One of the advantages of using Media Manager is that you do not have to process all of your data at the same time. You can expand only one data set to see what is included. You can select only the data that you wish to process. Once your data is selected, click the Next button. In Step 2, you will configure your job. First, select your processing case. Confirm that Auto Start Discovery Job is checked. Confirm that Streaming Discovery is checked. Both of these options are normally checked by default. Once selected, click the Next button. The final step is to configure data locations in process. Enter your custodian name. If a custodian has previously been entered, there will be a drop-down available. Select your source type. The final step is to click the Process button. Anytime you add a custodian, a pop-up window will appear. Click OK to add the custodian. You will get a message pop up in the far left corner of your window, letting you know the data has been submitted, and a status bar will appear. You can monitor the processing status as the data is copied, discovered, filtered, exported, and in review. The status bar will show the completed process along with errors. Hovering on the record will give you a short processing report. If node errors were detected, you will see an error message on the left side of the status bar. Click on Error to get a more detailed report. The report will display information on the error type, path, and exception type. Most errors will need to be resolved within the eCapture controller, but you can select the error and requeue it within Media Manager. Click the Back to Media button to return to the main media page. The media page is where you can process additional data without creating new media. Confirm that you have selected the original media and click the green Create and Process Data Locations button. You will see a half-solid circle symbol next to the main folder, indicating that not all of the data was processed. Expand the main folder to view what data has been processed. Once expanded, you will see a solid circle symbol next to any data that has already been processed. You can now select the additional data for processing. This concludes our lesson. Thank you for watching.